Let's explore PHP Performance, specifically focusing on memory management. We'll cover memory usage optimization and monitoring techniques to help you write more efficient PHP code. Let's build a strong foundation by understanding PHP memory usage. PHP processes consume memory for variables, objects, and various operations. By default, PHP has a memory limit of 128 megabytes. Efficient memory usage significantly impacts your application's performance and scalability. PHP provides several built-in functions to help you monitor memory usage. The memory_get_usage function returns the amount of memory currently being used by the PHP script. Memory_get_peak_usage returns the highest amount of memory the script has used during its execution. ini_get with the memory_limit option retrieves the current memory limit set in the PHP.ini configuration file. These functions are essential for real-time monitoring, tracking peak consumption, and checking current memory limits. To optimize memory usage, there are a number of techniques to employ. The first is variable cleanup. Use the unset function to free memory occupied by variables, especially after they're no longer needed. Make sure to clear large arrays and objects when their processing is complete. Explicitly release resources, such as database connections or file handlers, as soon as you're done with them. The second is using efficient data structures. Choosing the correct data type for your variables can save a significant amount of memory. You should also avoid unnecessary array copies, as duplicating large arrays can quickly consume memory. When appropriate, use references which allow multiple variables to refer to the same memory location, thereby reducing memory overhead. Consider some practical examples of variable cleanup. After processing a large array, immediately free up the memory it occupies using the unset function. In object-oriented programming, if you have an object that is no longer needed, setting the object variable to null will remove references to that object and allow it to be garbage collected. These practices are effective for freeing variables after use, setting objects to null, and clearing large data structures, all of which contribute to better memory management. PHP offers different ways to configure the memory limit. You can set a runtime memory limit using the ini_set function. For example, to set the limit to 512 megabytes, you would use ini_set, memory_limit, 512m. You can retrieve the current memory limit using the ini_get function. It's also possible to set the memory limit to unlimited by using ini_set, memory_limit, -1, although this should be done with extreme caution, as it could lead to memory exhaustion. Memory limits can be configured in various ways. The first is in the php.ini file, using the memory_limit directive. At runtime, you can use the ini_set function to change the memory limit. The third is on a per-directory basis using the .taccess file, using the php_value directive. To dive deeper into memory analysis, consider using memory profiling tools. Xdebug Profiler, which is part of the Xdebug extension, provides detailed memory analysis, including function-level tracking and output in cache grind format, allowing you to pinpoint memory usage hotspots in your code. Another tool is Blackfire.io, which is a software-as-a-service profiling platform that offers real-time monitoring, performance insights, and production-ready analysis, making it easier to optimize your PHP applications. Here are some key things to remember. Monitor memory usage with built-in functions like memory_get_usage and memory_get_peak_usage. Make sure to clean up variables and objects after use to free up memory, using the unset function or setting objects to null. Always configure an appropriate memory limit to prevent your scripts from consuming excessive resources. And profile your applications to discover optimization opportunities. Remember, efficient memory management leads to better performance. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.